Okay, let's begin. Videos on, please. Joshua and Emma. Emma, video on, please. Okay. Now, in the last class, we talked about cuboids and cube. Okay. So, what is a cube? We saw what is a cuboid, right? Do you remember?
It's a three-dimensional shape.
Yeah, three-dimensional shape. That is right, Joshua. That is right. It is a three-dimensional shape. Okay. Now, the difference between a cube and a cuboid is that in a cube, all all the faces are square. Okay. Whereas in a cuboid, in a cuboid, at least two faces are rectangular. At least two faces are rectangular. Okay, this is the difference. You can write this down. And then we'll move on to surface area.
Then, ma'am.
Emma, hope you are there. Video on, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Emma.
Yeah, ma'am,
Yeah.
my video is not starting though. I'm trying.
Try again, Emma.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to surface area of a cube and cuboid. Okay. First we'll check out surface area of cuboid. Joshua, how many faces a cuboid has?
6, I think, or 3. I don't
Six.
remember.
Six, correct. It has six faces. Okay. It's having six faces, which is a correct answer, Joshua. So, six faces means we have, you can say that, six rectangles. Okay. We have six rectangles. And the parallel rectangles are equal. Okay. Parallel ones are equal, parallel faces are equal. So, two parallel faces, the area will be of one rectangle, the area is what? Length into breadth, right? Two faces parallel, two side parallel faces, 2 into length into breadth. Two up and down parallel faces, 2 into length into breadth again. Okay. Or you can say breadth into height. Okay. So with that, we have the formula. Okay. Surface area of cuboid. Okay. The formula we have is 2 length breadth plus breadth height plus HL height length. What does this mean? This means 2 multiplied by length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is the meaning, okay? If we have a question, dimensions of a cuboid are 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Calculate the surface area. Okay, so what we will do, we'll use the formula 2 into length breadth 2 multiplied by length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay, put the values. 2, what is length? 8, breadth is 9, 8 into 9 plus 9 into 10 plus 10 into 8. Okay, multiply 2, 9 8s are 72 plus 10 9s are 90 plus 10 8s are 80. Add 2, 72 plus 90 plus 80. Add them. We have 72. First, like add 90 and 80. 170 plus 72, 242. Multiply 242 with 2. We will get how much? 484. 484. Now, centimeter cube. Okay. Oh, sorry, centimeter only. Or like centimeter square. Okay, in volume we put centimeter cube. Surface area we will put centimeter square. Okay, we will put centimeter square. So this is what? This is surface area. What we did, we calculated length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Whatever we got, we multiplied it with 2. Okay. Now, ma'am, in the question, it's not written what is length, what is height, what is breadth. The first one is always length. Second one is always B. Third one is always H. That is the series how it's written. Okay. The first number is always L. Second one is B. Third one is H. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think I understood. I'm not that sure, but I think I understood.
You understood. Okay. Write this down and then we'll start with one more question I'll give you to do.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Emma.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. The dimensions of a cuboidal box are 50 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and 30 centimeter. Find the cost of sheet. Find the cost of sheet required to make this box at the rate of rupees 125 square meter. Okay. Now see, we had a cuboidal box with length 50, breadth 40, height 30. Okay. We have to find out how much. Suppose this is a box. Okay. This is a rectangular box. I need a sheet that can make a box. Okay. Suppose the length is 50. This is breadth 40. This is height 30. Length 50, breadth 40, height 30. We have to find out the total surface area, means this, the whole thing, how much is the surface area. Okay. And then we will multiply it with the cost of the sheet. Okay. We'll multiply it with the cost of sheet. So first, you people find out the surface area of the cuboid. Okay, I'm writing the formula. You have to find out surface area and tell me 2 into length, 2 multiplied by length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Solve this and tell me what will be the surface area. Solve this and tell me what will be the surface area.
Ma'am, 4,700, ma'am.
4,700 you are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Am I also getting 4,700?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do and see. Have you multiplied with 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't multiply it by 2, ma'am.
Multiplied by 2 now.
Ma'am, 9,400, ma'am.
Yes. 9,400 centimeters square. Can you see my video?
Now we can, ma'am.
Now you can. Okay. So see. Look now. In the question, this is all our values are in centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. The cost is in meter. The cost is in meter. Okay. So we have to convert our centimeter to meter. Okay. Our centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter. Usually what we do, we convert it by dividing it by 1000. Centimeter divided by 1000. Okay. But here what we have, here it is centimeter. Oh, sorry, we are converting meter to, yes, centimeter to meter. Okay. But it is centimeter square. See, centimeter square and square meter. This is meter square. So what we have to do to convert centimeter square divided by 10,000. Okay. I'm writing it here. Meter square is equals to centimeter square divided by 10,000. Okay. So I will do this. I will do 9,400 divided by 10,000. How much it becomes? 9,400 divided by 10,000. It becomes 0.
94 by 10, ma'am.
Yes, 9,400 by 10,000 becomes 0.94 meters square. Okay, 0.94 meters square. Now you can find the cost of sheet. Okay, so cost of sheet. Now multiply. Cost of sheet is equals to 0.94 into 125. Okay, you will get how much? 117.50 meters square. Oh, sorry, meter. Okay, 117.50 meter. Okay, what I did, I converted meter, I converted centimeter square to meter square. Okay, centimeter square to meter square. That's what we did. Okay, here. Understood, Joshua?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Emma, write this down, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Am I written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will go and find out the surface area of a cube. Okay. Surface area of a cube.
Ma'am, how long does the cube have to be?
How long? You can
Yeah.
take any measure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And two squares like this and join their sides. Like this. Okay. So we have a cube. Now, how many faces of what is the area of square? Area of square. Cube is made up of 6 squares, right? 6 faces are 6 squares. Area of square. One square was how much, Joshua? Area of square was side square. Side square. Okay. How many squares does the cube have? 6. So surface area of cube. Therefore, surface area of cube. Same formula, just we'll multiply it with 6. Okay. Cube is 6 multiplied by side square. 6 multiplied by the square of the side. Okay. The square of the side. For example, I have a question. Find out the surface area of a cube of side 4 centimeter. Okay. Of side 4 centimeters. It's a small cube. Okay. So what we do? First we take side square. Okay. 4 into 4 how much? 8. Okay. The formula is surface area is equals to 6 into side square. Side square. So we do 6 multiplied by 4 into 4. How much? 16? 16? Okay. Now multiply 16 with 6. Multiply 16 with 6. How much? 96. Surface area 96 centimeter square. It is very easy, right? Very simple. You have to first do multiply side with side. What you get, multiply it with 6. Okay, understood?
Think so, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, then I will give you a question to do. Offside 15 meter. Find out, Joshua. 15 meter is the side of cube. Find the surface area using this formula. Emma, hope you are doing too. Turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I just go and charge my laptop?
Okay.
Ma'am, I think this is incorrect, but then 15 equals to side by area 15 equals to 6 times equals to, sorry, 6 times 15 will be the answer, ma'am, or something
No,
like
no,
that.
Joshua, first you do 15 into 15. Side square is written now, means that you write the side and multiply it with itself.
I forgot that, ma'am.
Yeah. So 15 into 15, then what you get, you multiply with 6.
Ma'am,
Yes, Joshua.
450
450. 450 is what, Joshua?
450 meters, I think, ma'am.
Okay. No, Joshua, 450 is not the answer. First 15, if 15 multiplied by 15, how much are you getting?
I think I got it wrong, but then I got 90, ma'am.
Check it once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it again.
Ma'am, I did answer wrong in the calculation, ma'am.
Okay. Are you getting now?
Yes, ma'am.
How much? 15 times 15, how much?
I think. Wait, ma'am. Let me just do it. 405 maybe.
No, Joshua, it is 225. Look here. 15 times 15 we are doing now. Seven plus 5, 12. 2 carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 225. 6 times 225. Now multiply 6 and 225. Find out the final answer.
Ma'am, 1350.
1350. Correct, Joshua. 1350. Okay, meter square. Correct. Good work. Okay. Is Emma there? No?
No, ma'am.
So I'll just give you today's homework. Joshua, yesterday's homework I have not received.
Yeah, ma'am. Yesterday I didn't have the time, ma'am.
Today, can you do both and send me?
I'll try to, ma'am.
Write this down.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Joshua, then we will meet tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay,
Have a
ma'am.
good
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.